Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In this tutorial I will show you how you can create your e-commerce product reels video. So if you are running your online business, or maybe you might thinking you will be running your online business, drop shipping, or any kind of digital products or physical products. So maybe you are thinking you will be creating a website, also you will create a content that's mean Facebook Reels, Instagram Reels, and YouTube Shorts video, and also the long format video. So as you know, content is king. So if you want to promote your product, so maybe you are looking some influencer who can promote also. So also you can do it by yourself, and it's completely free, and there is no prerequisite knowledge that you need to know. You have to just create a Canva account and just follow the step. So I think you have a multiple types of photos, so where you can create, and you will be creating very amazing short video using Canva. So you just need to upload your picture, that means product picture. So I will show you the step-by-step tutorials, and I think this video gonna help you a lot. All right, so let's jump into our main topic. So first of all, you have to create a Canva account. So either you can use free version or you can use the premium version. Okay, and don't worry, you have chances to create a premium version for 1 month trial. So just go to Canva and trial for 1 month, and you will be accessing all the premium content. Okay, first of all, you have to take a good product photo, and definitely it will be more light and more gorgeous. Okay, so first of all, here you can see create a design section. Just click on that and you will see the custom size. All right, but it's for only for image, so we don't need to image. We'll be creating reels video or short video, whatever. So let's click on create design, and you will see the lots of suggested format where you can see the videos. All right, okay, so this is the section, but we'll not create from here. All right, here you can see the search bar. Also you can search YouTube Shorts or Instagram Shorts. Just write it here, Instagram. Okay, so you can see Instagram post, also you can search it here. But there is another option. It's really easy. Here you can see the option is video, so click on that, and when we click, you can see mobile video, Facebook video, Instagram Reels. That's what we are looking for. Also you can create a TikTok video. So in this tutorial I will show you how you can create Instagram Reels video or Facebook video, whatever. Alright, so click on create blank, click on that, and it will open another tab, and I will show you all the options where you can upload your product image. Also you can resize the template. Okay, so this is the blank template, and you can see the 5 seconds. Okay, so we can increase the time framework, so let's do that. Click on timing and just drag and drop, and you can see the 6.5 seconds, 7 seconds. So it's depend on you how many seconds you want. So I think 7.5 seconds is perfect. All right, so here you can see the left bar, you can see the templates. So and also you can search here, it's depend on your product. All right, and here you can see the new wear, food, travel. It's depend on your niche or your product or your business. And here you can see recently used, that I've already used. Here you can see the bestseller option. I think this would be perfect for example. Click on that, and here you can see the 5 pages. So I will add all of them, so apply all pages. All right, here you can see all the 5 templates over there, and total here you can see the time 24 seconds. All right, so we don't need 24 seconds, we will reduce the time framework. All right, here you can see time framework 4.9, and we'll reduce the time framework, and we'll say 2 seconds or 2.5 seconds, both. Okay, so just click on apply to all 5 pages, and it will automatically reduce all the time framework. And here you can see just half. Okay, we had only 24, and right now 12.5 seconds. Also you can change it again, so it's time to customize this. Here you can see each and every section will have some different images. All right, different images. So we'll remove this by clicking delete. Also we will upload our own product image, and we'll upload it here. So I will show you on a 2 product how we can do this. Here you can see the best seller section. Also you can customize this as your own, and discount up to 50% you can change it here. And the best practice is you can write wherever you want. So I write on Google and just write it here and copy and just paste, because you can see it's a very small size. Okay, so sometimes you will mistake some spelling, or so that's why you can write it over here and just copy and paste it here. That's the process. Also here you can see the website. So I will copy my website and you can select and just paste it here, powerfuldetails.com. Also you can increase the size. Alright, and let's change the image. Okay, so let's upload our own product image. So click on upload files and select your product image, and here you can see the two products. Also we have multiple types of products. So let's click on first one. Alright, so let's change the first one. So here you can see the delete button. So when I click on delete button, you will see two options: delete only image and delete grid. So we don't need to delete grid, we will delete only image. So delete image and you will see the frame, and let's click the first one. Alright, here you can see, and just drag and drop. So this would be fit, perfect fit. Alright, here you can see. Also we will change the first one. Click on delete image, also click on product and just drag and drop. Here you can see the perfectly matched. So we'll have more 4 products. So let's check the first one. But here you can see also the music section, so we don't need it. Just click on 3 dot and delete track. Perfect. Alright, so let's check the first one. So click on here, and here you can see our first one. Alright, so let's change the another one. Alright, so click on delete and delete the image, and let's upload this one. Alright, okay, also we have to change this one. So let's click on delete image, click on the image. So let's change the third one. So click on delete image and click on the product. Perfect. Also we have to remove this image, delete image, click and just perfect. I think you can understand the process, how you can do this process. Okay, alright, so let's check the final result. Here you can see the second one and the third one. So this is how it works. Okay, and I think the result is amazing. And also we have to change the website, so don't forget to change each and every part. Alright, so I will show you 2 different things if you want to add extra layer. Okay, so just click on 3 dot and duplicate the page. Here you can see another one. Just if you want to that one, so duplicate the page. Also if you want to remove this one, just click and delete page. Alright, so let's download. Click on share, and here you can see the download section, and let's download. So it's downloading. So also I will show you the magic. Okay, so let's downloading it and I will show you the magic. Here you can see the magic of Swiss. So if you are using free Canva, I think you don't have any access like this one, but if you have any premium account, so you can access this one. Here you can see you can also convert it as a Pinterest video, and also click on see all section and you will see the TikTok video. So this is amazing features on Canva. It's really magic Swiss. That's mean you will create one video and it gonna change a different format. That's mean Instagram reel, TikTok video, Facebook video. Pretty much amazing. So this one for mobile or TikTok video, and this one for Pinterest. Here you can see the Pinterest pin and mobile video. So it's amazing features. So if you have premium, so you can use this template. So it's really powerful and it's gonna save you a lot of time. So just create a one single video and you can convert and Swiss using magic Swiss. Okay, perfect. So I believe this video gonna help you a lot to create a Reels video, Pinterest video, TikTok video. Just create a single video and Swiss and use magic Swiss, and it will be really magic for you. Alright, so I think if you are a business owner and you might be thinking starting a business, definitely e-commerce business or any digital product business, so you must need Reels video or any short video, and I think this video is a perfect solution for you. Just follow the step and create your first reels video and upload it, and I think one day your reels video will be viral and you will be getting more sales and you will be rich. And I believe though, if you found this video is very helpful, so give us a thumbs up and leave a comment, and don't forget to subscribe my channel. I will come back with another tutorials, so stay tuned. Have a good day. Tata, bye bye.